we decided that after traveling for a year and only wiping down the RV after some inclement weather, that it might be prudent to do a complete wash and inspection of the exterior. Now, while most exterior RV detailers charge anywhere from $1 to $5 a linear foot for a wash and wax, we were thinking that we could save some bucks by doing it ourselves. Well, at 42 feet long with 5 slide outs and toppers as well as a 16-foot awning, I may have let my alligator mouth overload this hummingbird. Two days later, sunburned and tired, Shelly and I finished. But it looks great. I'll even bet that being shiny, slick, and clean, we'll be able to go faster and save on fuel. We both believe that being prepared while on the road and in our everyday lives can actually make our lives easier. So a big part of preparing is making sure that we can handle each other's duties should we need. Say if for some reason either one of us is incapacitated for one reason or another. Shelly is more than capable of doing what's needed should something happen to me, and vice versa. It's just that some skills are perishable and need an occasional replenishing. Like hooking up the rig and driving this nearly 60-foot monster, and today she's ready for a little refreshing. She hopped into the driver's seat and handled it like a pro. Not saying it wasn't uncomfortable, but even after all the years I've driven large apparatus, some things just make you sit up and squeeze the wheel a little tighter. I'm really proud. She did a great job. Teamwork is number one. We deliberately took city streets to our one-week destination without issues. We're still working on the backing thing, but we'll wait for a large empty parking lot to hone those skills. Things that make you go, huh? We always wonder who designs many of these parks and why they pick aesthetics over function. I mean, you think that common sense should rule. Do you really have to put that ornamental citrus, palm tree, light pole, or other obstacle right there? And how about making the streets just a little wider with more sweeping turns and angled or pull-through spaces? Are they even aware that most doors on RVs are on the passenger side and utilities are on the driver's or rear? And I don't know of any RV that has a sewer connection under the middle of the chassis. Maybe it's just all about the Benjamins. Who knows? We'll share some more of our plans for Season 3 in next week's video. Until then, travel safe.